Okay, while I was putting in the railing and the stairs on the drawing, I've come up with a bit of a problem that it must have been a mistake with my measurements. You can see here that these posts are actually showing on the front, and they should be really in a little bit of distance so that you can't see them like that. But it's because we've used grids, it's pretty easy to fix up. So I'm going to come over to my footings plan. There's a couple of things I'm going to do. First of all, I'm going to go round. I know these are locked to the grid, but I don't think these are locked. So if we just click on the bottom ones, they may be. Let's just see. No, they're not coming up as being locked. Let's try it and see what happens. What I'm going to do is put some dimensions in here just to see what the problem is. So I'm coming up to dimensions, and all you need to do is just hover over the line, go to the next line, go to the next line, and go to the next line, then drag it out to where you want it, and just click once. So you can see there, if we look at those measurements, there's the problem. This line here, this is the center line of the patio, so it should be equal measurements on each side. And in fact, we've got 2,250 on this side and 2,150 on this side. So we need to make this a bit smaller because the stairs are going to be the same width. Now the way that we do that is we click on the one that we want to move, and oops, I need to just double click out of that so I can select it. Click on the one we want to move, and you can see here that if we click on there, we can just come in and change that to a 0 and hit enter. You'll notice that this one has changed to compensate for it, so you need to then click on that one and change that one back to 1100, and we should be right. Now you can see that the posts moved okay with the grid, but the other foundations didn't move. So let's just move those down. We can just zoom in a bit. They will center. Just move them down, and when they get the center, just allow them to center. And that one there. And I think we've got one more up here that we need to change. That one there. So a little bit of a hassle, but it's all fixed now. We can probably take that out at this stage. We don't want any dimensions in at this stage. So there we go. And if we go back and have a look at that, that's fixed our problem up. So no problems there. Okay, go on with your next video.